For an update on my hot Scotch bonnet peppers, I can count about 17 right now compared to earlier this year when the trees just kept blossoming, because here we have another blossom. So earlier this year it was only blossoming and bearing no fruit or no peppers, but finally I'm getting some during the fall season going into the winter, and one of them is finally turning yellow, getting that Scotch bonnet yellow color that it's famous for. But for me, more than anything, I would just like to get some of these seeds, so just in case the plants actually die during the winter, I have the seeds, can catch them back from these plants or these peppers. So that's all I'm really concerned about. So that's the update for my hot Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah, so most of the leaves are actually turning yellow and falling off because it's fall. So I'll give you another update when some of them has grown a bit more, but soon I'll be picking those three, because those three were the first to actually develop, or to actually started growing. So I'll be picking them quite soon. Yeah, thanks for watching the Pearl. Peace.